What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about YouTube Shorts. Are they good or are they bad? So for the past 28 days, I've uploaded north of 50 shorts, and in that I've got around almost 28,000 views just off the shorts. And also in those 28 days, I have gained a massive amount, well, massive to me, but a great amount of subscribers with 80 plus subscribers just off of YouTube Shorts. Shorts on my channel so far have definitely helped me grow to where I am right now. And honestly, I definitely see them pushing me even further than where I'm at right now. So the first con is you need 10 million short views in a 90-day period. For some people, it can be really easy and a real breeze. Another con would be that it could hurt your channel. It could just not bring anybody to your channel versus how your long form content is doing and bringing all the new people into your channel. So it's definitely a thing you just have to watch and pay attention to when you upload your shorts, and also when you're uploading your long form content. Whatever's bringing the views and the subscribers to your channel and massively helping your channel. So always pay attention to what you're posting and how it affects your channel and you in general, because you may not be happy creating them and they may not bring any subscribers or any views. And lastly, for a con is if you don't post, you'll never see an outcome. Whether the shorts will help you or the shorts could hurt you, or the shorts could just not really do anything. But after me posting shorts versus long form content, I've definitely seen it help me. And I definitely plan on posting a lot more shorts than I do long form content right now, but also posting that long form content because that's just what people love to see. Not everybody loves to watch shorts. Not everybody loves to watch the long form content. So if you have a channel that's mixed with both, I definitely see that as a great advantage. Now to the pros. They can easily be made with your phone. Another pro is you can make multiple, and I mean multiple, within just hours versus any long form content that needs not only hours of preparation, but scripts and then the editing. And the last pro I have today is it can bring a massive amount of traffic to your channel. Not only subscribers and the watch time and the views, or bring the encouragement and that push that you might need or might want from new subscribers and new people coming to view your channel. With all that being said, I really hope you take into consideration the shorts, and I honestly think they are amazing, in my opinion, especially from everything that I've posted so far and how far it's got my channel. I hope you liked the video, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.